Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an experiment, paper and water experiment. The experiment is we draw 3 arrows in the paper and place it behind the cup like this.
And see how
so as you can see the arrow. Now we pour water into the cup. Then you see the trick or the magic. So let's pour the water now. Just look into the 3 arrows. You can see the right side pointing arrow, it moves to the left side. As you can see now, you can see it move the arrow to the left side. So you can see it's right side. It's to left side. So this is the trick. I hope you all enjoy the video. Please like the video, comment, try this experiment in your house and put your thoughts in the comment box. Click the bell button of our channel. Please subscribe. Bye.